In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a trade on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to select whatever you want to trade. So over here, let's say you want to select something different than what I'm doing over here. You want to click on this part over here. You want to search for the instrument. So let's say it's going to be Bitcoin USD for this instance. And then there we go. You want to go down here at the bottom, and here is where you can basically enter a trade. So by entering a trade, I mean entering a position, basically buying. So the way you do that is you can either buy market, or you can click up on this arrow where you can basically set if you want a market order or a pending limit order, which you can of course set the price for as well. You can then go ahead and select a trailing stop loss, just a usual stop loss, or take profit as well. And then here you can also select if you want a risk order like that, and you can select if you want to buy either lots or USD. This is completely up to you. After you do that, you want to click on buy down here. I'm going to go ahead and just buy market for this instance, and then you want to confirm. And then there we go, you've successfully entered a position or entered a trade like this. Now you can see your trade down here, and there it is. Whenever you decide to actually close it, you can go ahead and close it with this button over here, and that's done. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.